Hey YouTubers, this is Motivet, and I got some exciting news to share with you. And I know you'll be excited about it. So let's cue the intro. Alrighty guys, so I've been looking on the web and YouTube, and I haven't seen a 128 or 131 Screaming Eagle kit on a Softail. So I decided to buy the kit myself. I am going to put the Screaming Eagle big bore kit onto my 2018 breakout. Right now it's a stage 1 extreme ventilator intake and a Cobra 2-to-1 exhaust. It is a 107, so I'll be doing the 128 cubic inch from Screaming Eagle, but the 131 and 128 are basically the same jugs, same cylinder heads. They just have different pistons and a different stroke. So if I can put a 128 onto my Softail, you should be able to do the 131. So I just got word from Big Sky Harley that my shipment has been shipped, so I should get my 128 kit here shortly, within the week. I also have my SNS 550G cam at the house, so I'm gonna do the build myself. So I will show you it inside and out, how to build a 128 or 131 cubic motor onto your Harley Softail, and hopefully I can answer any and all your questions. So please like and subscribe, and I'll share the progress with you. Also, I am going to do a MPG run and a dyno for a base map, or just show you how much power gain and how much fuel mileage that the 128 kit will suck from your stage 1 107. So stay tuned for that video, and I will post it shortly. So I'm just driving around